maintenance businesses in the country.
Now, dairy farmers are to benefit from government's intervention in addressing challenges bedeviling the dairy sector, especially at a time when the price of animal feed has risen. Now, speaking while launching a milk processing plant in Limuru, Kiambu County, Deputy President Kithure Kindiki said that the government is working to boost the performance of this sector by embracing new innovations. Now, this initiative will train farmers in modern techniques to enable them produce milk more profitably, placing them with the experience that they need in order to move the sector forward.
He plant, sio ya Limuru, in pack UHT milk.
The cost of production has not really come down because, like we all know, we have got a shortage of maize, and maize is one of the components that actually is used to manufacture the dairy feeds. So with that scarcity, the cost of production has not come down. We have seen an increase in the price of dairy meal and other byproducts that are used by our farmers. So what we are doing as Githunguri Dairy Farmers Cooperative Society is to educate our farmers on alternative ways of feeding their animals.
Kuna matatizo madogo katika sekta ya dairy na tunayashughulikia kwa sababu bei ya chakula ya ng'ombe bado tunataka tuishughulikie ili iweze kuwa imeteremka kidogo.
Now, low milk